If you audit your daily operational workflow, you'll quickly realize that email is not a communication channel. It is an administrative tax. For solo operators, founders, and knowledge workers, the modern inbox is a relentless source of context switching. You spend hours reading through bloated 15-reply email chains, cross-referencing dates on your calendar, drafting corporate boilerplate responses, and jumping between browser tabs just to confirm a 30-minute review call. The major promise of AI email assistance was supposed to end this daily drain, yet first-generation tools completely failed to deliver. They either acted as glorified text rephrasers inside a tiny sidebar extension, or forced you to copy and paste sensitive client messages into a separate ChatGPT window. Every time you used them, you had to manually supply the context, past agreements, client names, budget constraints, and availability. This broken pipeline doesn't save time, it just shifts the manual labor from writing to copy-pasting. The problem wasn't the AI's ability to generate text, it was the AI's complete isolation from your live operational data layer. The paradigm changes when an intelligence engine plugs directly into your live workspace via native protocol connectors. With Perplexity's integrated Gmail and Google Calendar connector, search and execution collapse into a single interface. Instead of treating your inbox as an isolated silo, Perplexity transforms it into a searchable, queryable, and actionable vector database, allowing you to summarize deep threads, draft context-aware replies, and orchestrate calendar events without ever switching tabs. To understand why this native integration outperforms third-party browser plugins, you have to look at how data moves across the connector infrastructure. Standard browser extensions scrape raw HTML off your screen, which frequently breaks, exposes data to insecure local scripts, and misses historical context buried deep in older threads. Perplexity bypasses this brittle front-end scraping by establishing a direct, authenticated OAuth bridge with Google Workspace APIs. When you issue a command, the platform executes a multi-directional context fetch. The local workspace layer, the API, retrieves relevant Gmail threads, attachments, and Google Calendar availability in real time. The global web layer. Simultaneously, Perplexity cross-references live web data, company domains, or external documentation if the query demands it. The synthesis engine synthesizes internal inbox state with external web knowledge, generating accurate outputs grounded in your actual business context. Your data remains protected inside an enterprise-grade sandbox. Queries are ephemeral, interactions are deleted after 14 days, and personal inbox contents are never used to train foundational AI models. Use case 1: autonomous thread triage and deep summarization. The most immediate bottleneck in email management is triaging long, unstructured communication chains. When a client or partner sends a reply containing multiple questions, updated attachments, and altered deadlines, reading through the back-and-forth history burns valuable focus time. With the Gmail connector active, you stop scrolling through message logs. You query your inbox using natural conversational language. Summarize the recent email thread with the client regarding project deliverables. Extract all explicit deadlines, budget updates, and open questions that require my response today. Instead of spending 15 minutes parsing nested replies, Perplexity pulls the thread history via the API, strips out email signatures and header noise, and outputs a structured matrix of high-priority action items. You gain immediate executive clarity on complex threads in seconds. Use case 2: context-grounded drafting in your voice. Generic AI drafts sound painfully mechanical because they lack historical memory. If an AI doesn't know what you agreed to 3 weeks ago, it produces vague, overly polite responses that require heavy manual editing before you dare press send. Because Perplexity retains full thread context through its workspace connector, it drafts replies that directly reference specific historical data points, past numerical figures, and previously established constraints. You prompt the engine with high-level intent. Draft a concise reply to Taylor agreeing to the adjusted Phase 3 timeline, but confirm that the staging server access will be delivered by end of day today as discussed in last week's email. The model queries the past emails to verify the exact staging details mentioned, formats the response in your personal tone, and provides a polished draft ready to be pushed directly into your Gmail outgoing queue. Use case 3. Zero friction calendar. Orchestration. The worst form of administrative friction is the multi-step dance of booking meetings. The traditional routine requires opening Google Calendar, manually scanning for free blocks across time zones, typing out open availability in an email draft, waiting for a reply, and then manually creating the calendar invite with a meeting link. The native Perplexity integration unifies email context with live Google Calendar scheduling into a single prompt pass. Check my calendar for next Tuesday afternoon. Find 3 open 30-minute slots, cross-reference Andy's time zone from his email signature, and draft an invite for a project sync with a Google Meet link attached. The engine reads your live availability, resolves time zone discrepancies, crafts the invitation, and stages the event without you ever leaving the chat interface. Step-by-step connector configuration. Setting up your unified workspace environment requires connecting your primary accounts and configuring privacy parameters correctly. 1. Enable the workspace connector. Phase 1. OAuth authentication. Navigate to Perplexity settings. Select the Connectors tab, and locate the Gmail with Calendar toggle. Authorize the Google OAuth permissions to allow real-time API reading and drafting access. 2. Verify account mapping. Phase 2. Indexing and scope verification. Confirm that your primary Google Workspace email account is correctly mapped. Perplexity syncs one active account per profile, ensuring tight security boundaries around your workspace data. 3. Execute initial triage queries. Phase 3. Context retrieval test. Test the pipeline by issuing a baseline query across your inbox. For example, what were the key takeaways from yesterday's team updates? Verify that the model pulls accurate email timestamps and threads. 4. Deploy daily inbox protocols. Phase 4. Workflow integration. Incorporate natural language commands into your morning triage routine to summarize incoming threads, manage calendar bookings, and draft context-grounded replies instantly. Operational comparison. Traditional admin versus Perplexity engine. When you evaluate administrative output based on time spent, context retention, and operational friction, manual email management becomes completely untenable. The core lesson of building a lean, high-velocity operational system is that manual context switching is the ultimate tax on your cognitive energy. Spending hours jumping between calendar windows, rereading messy email chains, and copy-pasting text across tabs, when you could be leveraging a unified workspace connector, is a massive drain on your daily execution capacity. Your immediate challenge for today is to go into your Perplexity settings, authenticate the Google Workspace connector, and run a thread summarization prompt on your longest unread client chain. If you are ready to streamline your daily workflow and want immediate access to the exact prompt templates, system configurations, and automated context blueprints that turn your inbox into an autonomous executive assistant, make sure to check out the resource links down in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because in our upcoming system deep dive, we are breaking down how to connect this entire workspace framework straight into an automated document processing pipeline. See you in the next one.